Hello Tech Excellence 360 viewers. Today we are diving into a game changer that is reshaping the landscape of manufacturing and beyond. Industry 4.0. Buckle up as we explore the smart factories, connected systems and digital transformations that define this revolutionary era. Stick around and don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening insights right here on Tech Excellence 360. Imagine a world where factories can predict when a machine will fail and fix it before it breaks down. Where products are customized to your exact specifications and where supply chain are so synchronized that material arrives just when they are needed. This is the vision of Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution that is reshaping the way we manufacture, operate businesses and interact with technology. In this introduction, we will dive into the fascinating world of Industry 4.0 and explore how it is revolutionizing industries across the globe. Industry 4.0, often called the fourth industrial revolution, is a concept that represents the integration of advanced digital technologies into manufacturing and different industries. Imagine factories and businesses becoming smarter and more connected. This means machines, robots, and even products can communicate with each other, gather data, and make decisions, all with the goal of improving efficiency, productivity, and innovation. It is like giving industries a high-tech makeover to work faster, better, and smarter. The evolution of Industry 4.0 has been a gradual process marked by several key developments over the time. So let's understand how Industry 4.0 is evolved. This period introduced mechanization with the invention of steam engine and the mechanized textile industry. The second industrial revolution saw the worldwide use of electricity and the development of assembly line. Mass production became possible, leading to increased efficiency and the rise of industries like automotive manufacturing. Automation and computerization started to play a significant role in manufacturing, with the use of computer and electronics to control processes. Programmable logical controls are early forms of computer-aided design and manufacturing system emerged. This is where Industry 4.0 comes in. It is built on the third revolution but takes it a step further by integrating digital technologies such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and cloud computing into every aspect of manufacturing and different industries. This allows for smart factories where machines, systems, and products can communicate and make decisions autonomously. The term Industry 4.0 was coined in Germany in the early 2010 as a part of government initiative to promote digitalization in manufacturing. Since then, the concept has gained global recognition, and industries worldwide has been gradually adopting the principle and technologies associated with Industry 4.0 to enhance productivity, quality, and competitiveness. Evolution continues as new technologies emerge and existing ones become more sophisticated, diving further, improving in manufacturing and many other industries. Thank you for watching. If you find the video informative, do like, share and subscribe the channel.